What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's JRB. We are playing Subway Surfers. It's one of my favorite games. Subscribe to the channel if you already have. Hit the like button. Well, I'm really enjoying, but let's get into this. So let's go. Okay, let's go. Just started. Unlimited. Okay, that's unlimited. Oh, nice. Limited. Comment if you want me to play this some more, but I'm pretty good at it. Let's go. Ooh, gotcha. Please comment something good. Like you want us to do more videos or something. With the Christmas songs. Well, let's go. I'm destroying. Ooh. Come on. Oh. So guys, if you've ever played Subway Surfers, the hoverboard basically is sheltered to that you can crash into anything, you won't die. Watch this. See? That's what the hoverboards do. When you can buy some, you can buy characters. The top run. It shows the top run in that corner right there. Big old glasses jumped 20 times. Hold on. Let me see the missions. 20 coins. Okay. Collect 200 coins. That's what I want. That's what I'll do. That's my goal. I should be able to master that before I die. I'm 77. Oh, I'm doing good. Using my last one more hope. Yes. Now I got a bottle. This is my very own phone. So, but if I was playing with my mom's phone, I'd be really far. But I just finished at work, so now I get the mystery box. You can see right there, if you can. Pick up 2 sneakers with my hoverboard. Oh, I'm doing good now. Get all of them. Ooh, so this just fires you up. And guys, one more thing. If you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Brianna Bannister, subscribe to AJ the Goat 21. And guys, if you want to have like this, it's called Mobilize. With the madness, so it picks up all the coins. I'm doing a video, stop. Okay guys, so guys, let's go. Oh! JRB. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end for the video. Oh, never mind. So, Trixie's hat. 2 more to unlock her. Double up.
No, what is Squad name?
Okay, guys, so now. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's go. Oh. Oh, a bomb. Let's go. Okay. This is boring, guys. Just watching it. But I'm getting another one of Trixie's hats. Nothing. I don't feel like downloading it. And I got another Trixie's hat. Mystery box. I want to double up. Yeah. Ooh. Can you smash that like button? Nope. Keys. So right here we get these. You get the keys. And you collect the war. Wow! 10 keys! More! 13 keys! More! 5 keys! Okay, guys. So I'm in the video. Peace out.